Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Warzone 6 DLC packs not installing, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is that if you do have Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Call of Duty open in general, go ahead and just X out or close the application, and once you do that you can open it back up and you can check to see if that fixes the issue, if it starts downloading the right packs. And the second method you guys can do is click on the three horizontal buttons right here next to the triangle and click on restore license. And what you want to do is you want to basically just click restore, and once that fixes, you can again check to see if that fixes the issue. The third method you guys can do is simply uninstall Call of Duty and then go ahead and just reinstall it, and then check, and then once it's reinstalled, it should be reinstalled with everything, so you should be good to go. So yeah, once you do all of these steps, you should be good to go. You can always restart your PlayStation 5 as well, or Xbox or PC, and you should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.